Please come back on the phone.
Hello, Namaste, Assalamualaikum and Vanakkam everybody. So welcome back to Life of Planless. Today I'm with Akbar and with Zainab. So today we are going to take an interview of Akbar.
Interview? What kind of interview? Bro?
Hello Akbar, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So
you.
Akbar is from Bangalore. So I just want to ask a few questions to you.
Okay.
How do you feel coming to Dubai from Bangalore and what are your options and what is your opinion? Would you suggest people to come here?
Yeah, absolutely. I had come 1 year back to Dubai,
Okay.
almost a year, and yeah, I'm feeling good here. The
Okay.
vibes is good. You have everything over here.
So you suggest people to come to Dubai?
Yeah, I would definitely suggest. If you want to come to enjoy, that is also very good.
No, no, no. It's not about enjoy. I'm just asking people whether
Yeah, you can come
to work.
Work and everything is good, but initially it will be a little challenging, but after that it will be very good, and you'll have a very good life over here.
Okay. So at the beginning stage, you need to do lots of hard work, right? That's
Absolutely, you should never give up.
what. Okay.
Sometimes you'll feel like going back after 1 month, 2 months, but that is where you decide whether you want to live here or you want to go back. If you're living, then you will make good hell out of money here.
Okay, that's how.
Yeah.
So you'll suggest everybody to come here.
Absolutely.
And what fields do you suggest people should go when coming to Dubai? In the sense, which?
I would recommend them to get into real estate,
Oh, real estate.
because
Okay.
that is where there is big money. But just because there is money, you shouldn't join real estate, because if you're good in sales, then this is your field. And there are other supply chain management also has good demand over here. Then there is IT field also.
Okay.
Yeah, basically everything, you find everything here in Dubai.
You find everything, but initially go behind your passion. Don't give up. Just work behind your passion. That's all.
Absolutely, that is what I would recommend.
Okay.
For sure.
So you want to say something in your own language to people in Bangalore?
देखो भाई, दुबई को आना है तो अच्छे पैशन है तो आओ, पैसा कमाने का पैशन है तो आओ, नहीं तो आओ ना। नहीं तो खाली फिरने आने का रहा तो फिरने आओ।
चुपके डवाम बोल को आ जाओ नको डवाम
ओ, दुबई है, वो है, यहाँ एक बात बड़े खर्चे मालूम होती तो
एक
better-
कोक लेना है तो छोटा वाला 5
कितने इंडिया के 120 रुपए,
हाँ ऐसा
120 रुपए एक कोक है।
चुपके ये
तो
डो
पैशन रहा, अगर नहीं गिव अप करने का रहा, वैसा ये माइंड सेट बन कर रहा तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन कम टू दुबई।
That's what. See, best thing is your passion. So make sure that you should not give up. And Zainal, would you recommend something for the people?
I would love to.
Yeah.
If you are coming to Dubai, just don't think your life is going to be easy, and there is Burj Khalifa and everything, so you can go and enjoy. You won't get time to visit those places once you start working.
Yeah, that's how
Burj
it is.
Khalifa is
By the
nice.
way, Zainal is from
અમદાવાદ, ગુજરાત. અમદાવાદી છું, આવી જાજો, પણ એવું ના વિચારતા કે ધંધો કરી જ નાખશું. અહીંયા ધંધા કરવા માટે બહુ બધા લોકો બેઠા છે. That means there are so many people sitting here just for business, but they are not getting opportunity. But if you have strength and passion for struggle, you should come. But Ahmedabad is Ahmedabad, India is India, Bangalore is Bangalore. So if you don't want to struggle, then don't come.
Yeah, struggles are important. Wherever you're going, struggle is important.
Exactly.
As Zainal told something in his own language, even I'm going to tell something in my own mother tongue. I mean Telugu. ఇక్కడికి వస్తానే ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ మీరు చేసేది ఏమంటే కష్టపడతారు దట్స్ కష్టపడాలి కానీ ఇష్టంతో కష్టపడాలి దట్స్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ రీచింగ్ యువర్ హైట్స్ అక్బర్ యూ వాంట్ సే సంథింగ్ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ
ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ದುಬೈಗೆ, ಕಾಸು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That's all.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ.
Thank you Akbar. Thank you for saying motivation words to all the viewers.
Absolutely.
It's nice to talk with you.
Thank you so much.
We'll meet back people. Bye.